Welcome. Select a language and press the select button. Thank you for using this machine. Select the purpose of use of the photographs and press the select button. These are the sizes used in passports and for other applications. Press the select button, touch the print finish to display detailed information. Select the print finish and press the photographs will be taken in standard mode. Press the select button if this is the mode. Select the number of sheets you want and press the select button. Are these contents acceptable? If select the number of sheets you want and press the select button.
I want
3 piece I don't know.
3 password 3 other application form 3.
Are these contents acceptable? If you wish to change the contents, press the change button on the right. Press the select button if these are the contents you want. Please insert the indicated amount. Press the return button to return to the original screen. Change will be returned when the final photo is printed.
Yeah.
Press the select button if these are the contents you want. Before the photography, please read the cautions displayed on the screen. If you want to confirm detailed points of photography, press the hints for taking clear pictures. When you are ready, press the photo button. Photographs will be taken 2 times. Lightly pull in your chin and straighten your neck in a relaxed manner. The photograph will be taken 3 seconds after you press the shutter button. 3, 2, 1. The second photograph will be taken. Lightly pull in your chin and 3, 2, 1. Select the photograph you want to print. Press the retake button if you want to take the photograph again. Adjust the position of your face. First, use the pink up-down buttons to align the pink line with the tip of your head. Next, use the green up-down buttons to align the green line with the tip of your chin. Finally, use the blue left-right buttons to align the blue line with the center of your face. When you have finished adjusting, press the select button.
Select कर दो. के हो त्यो आधा हाफ धमिलो जस्तो आधा घाटिया होला फेरि घाइते त्यो आधा के भयो त्यो.
Are these contents acceptable? Press the select button if these are the contents you want. Your photographs are now being printed.
टेक्नोलोजी हो हैन आफै फोटो खिच्ने आफै.
Printing is finished. Take your photograph from the print outlet. Be sure not to leave anything behind. Thank you for using the machine. いらっしゃいませ。言語を選択して決定ボタンを押してください。